Tripura Hojagiri Ter 2023, an occasion that brings us all together to showcase our culture and heritage.
Without further delay, let's commence the event with a felicitation ceremony. Now, we would like to welcome our chief guest, Professor Sarat Kumar Patra, Honorable Director, NIT Agartala, with Risha and bouquet. I request sir to please come on stage. I also request Devdulan sir to please do the honors. Thank you, sir. Next, we would like to welcome our guest of honor, Dr. Ashish Badola, Registrar, NIT Agartala, to stage. I request Devdulan sir to please do the honors. Thank you, sir. I would now like to call on stage Professor Prasoon Chakrabarti, Dean, PND, NIT Agartala. May I now call on stage Mr. Sanjay Malik, Honorable Principal, Kendriya Vidyalaya, NIT Agartala, on stage. Thank you, sir.
May we now invite on stage our chief guest, Professor S.K. Patra, Honorable Director, NIT Agartala, for the lighting of the lamp. We would also like to request our guest of honors to accompany him. This auspicious ritual symbolizes enlightenment, knowledge, and wisdom.
I would also like to call John sir to please accompany. And Mrinal sir. Please, sir. Thank you, sir. May the light of the lamp guide us all towards wisdom and understanding. Let us begin today's auspicious event with the praise of the most merciful and benevolent. For that reason, we would like to call on stage the performers of the inaugural song.
now call upon on stage Dr. Tripura, Sir, Coordinator, CRTD NIT Agartala, to give the welcome address. Please, sir.
A very good afternoon to our respected Director Sir, Professor S.K. Patraji, for accepting our invitation to be the chief guest of this program, Hojagiri Ter. I welcome Dr. Ashish Badula Sir for accepting our invitation to be a guest of honor. I welcome Sanjay Malik Sir for accepting our invitation for being a guest of honor. And I also welcome John Sir, Minal Sir, and many others, my colleagues. And of course, I would like to welcome all my beloved students in this auspicious occasion. Indeed, we are privileged and overjoyed actually that for the first time we are able to organize this small program in this prestigious institute. This actually, this Hojagiri Ter is a historic festival with the Tripuris of the Tripura to celebrate this since time immemorial. So, I would like to give a brief history on this festival basically. So, the Hojagiri Ter or Hojagiri festival, the festival actually in our town we call it Ter. So it's one of the historic festivals celebrated by the Swrangchati across the globe since time immemorial. Actually, we call ourselves as Tipra, but the people from outside they call us Tripura. So the Hojagiri Ter is also known as Hojagiri Ter. This festival is celebrated in the month of September and October of the year in the name of goddess Maluma. Goddess of wealth, and in Sanatan Dharma, goddess Lakshmi. The special dance performed by the Tripura woman or Tipra we call it, during this occasion is known as Hojagiri dance. So hopefully we are waiting for the dance to come in a short while. And besides Maluma, we do remember Huluma, that is goddess of cotton and other fabrics. It's also worshipped during this festive occasion. Usually, the months of September and October, the Tripura successfully complete the harvesting of mixed crops grown on the hill slopes, that is shifting cultivation. The mixed crops mainly comprises of paddy, cotton, cucumber, pumpkin, beans, sesame, etc. So this is basically a mixed cropping. The Tripuras offer their new harvest to the goddess. During this occasion, the headman of the village, called the Raja or Chaudhary, invite the villagers for a community feast. And soon after, the Tripura king, this was a kingdom before merging with India, so we have a long history in this regard. King organized a splendid feast in the capital of kingdom known as Hosam Bhujan. Even sometime our present Bhubagra, he happens to organize this in a small way. But during the time of the kingdom, during the reign of the king, this was celebrated in a befitting way. It is during this feast, the historic Hojagiri dance is being performed. Whole Tipra community enjoy the occasion with great pride and joy. The Hojagiri dance comprises various techniques and articles like pot, bailing, mairang, hanky, etc. The dancers are well dressed in Tripura traditional attire. At first, the dancers take their position on the stage and perform the initial dance steps. Soon, the dancers would start dancing by standing on the picture and by balancing the plate and simultaneously balancing the bailing. Actually, bailing is a small round shaped bamboo tray. which we use for winnowing. So we'll be seeing shortly. And in their hand, and also keeping a bottle attached with a burning lamp. Today we cannot be seeing burning lamp, but historically the burning lamp is kept on the top of the bottle. On top of the head, they would dance simultaneously, moving their body in a harmonious rhythm to the beats of musical instruments like drum, flute, folk song. Some of the dance rhythms are two parts, ceremonial and free. Rhythmic movement of hands, sharpening knife, clearing forest, sowing grains, clearing weeds from grains, harvesting grains, collecting or gathering bamboo shoot. Bamboo shoot is one of the delicious food among the Tripuras, and hopefully whoever has come over here from other parts of India, you must be also enjoying this bamboo shoot. So all this rhythm you can see in this dance. So this is actually how this dance actually manifests our culture and what we really do. But hopefully our students will be able to manifest some of this, though they may not be able to do completely because it has not many taals. Anyway, we'll be enjoying it in a short while. Then catching fish, standing acrobatically on the earthen or aluminum pot with plates. Then acrobatically showing the blooming of flowers while simultaneously with movement of plates in hands. Standing on a 3 earthen or aluminum pots, back leaning with bamboo tray on a finger and with a plate on the forehead. Imitating jump of a bird, standing on each other's belly. So this we may not be able to see here. Standing on the shoulder, belly leaning, breaking a piece of cloth heap, clearing guards, and exceeding with all dance materials. Slowly they'll exceed all the dance materials. And Hojagiri is also known by others' name with Medal Samun and Manpati. So this Hojagiri Ter, actually it has been, on this particular day, Hojagiri Ter, the state government has given a holiday. So we all, irrespective of the Tripuras and the Bengalis who live close by, we all celebrate this festival commonly. We exchange our cultures and traditions with each other. So with these few words, once again I would like to welcome all the dignitaries, especially our chief guest, our guest of honors, all the faculty members, my dear students, and of course the media personals and the participants in this on this stage. So once again, thank you all. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir, for enlightening us with your words. Hojagiri dance is a historic traditional folk dance of Tripura Jati across the globe. To give us a glimpse of it, I would now like to call on stage the performers of the Hojagiri dance.
Please welcome them with a huge round of applause. Wow, it was such a wonderful performance. We would now like to request Professor S.K. Patra, Honorable Director, NIT Agartala, sir, to address us with his words. Please, sir.
Good afternoon to you all. Professor Devgulal, Professor Devvarma, Colonel Assis, Mr. Malik, our Central School Principal, other faculty members, Professor Bera, other faculty members, students, and the artists who are also students. Now, today's festival, or what we are celebrating, is called Hojagiri Ter, the festival of Hojagiri. Now, while I was hearing the stories of this festival and the introduction that Professor Devgulal and Professor Devvarma gave me, it gives me the feeling of university in diversity and diversity in unity in our country. In fact, as I am told, this is celebrated on the full moon day after Durga Puja, and the same day in my place we celebrate it as Kumar Purnima, which is also Lakshmi Puja. Now, this festival, all this festival season start with the Durga Puja, primarily the Navratri. In western part of the country, people call it Navratri. In Gujarat, people celebrate with Garba, whereas in other states they celebrate in different ways. When you go to South India, people celebrate it as Navratri Puja. When you come to eastern part of the country, we celebrate this as Durga Puja. Now, there is another diversity and similarity with the country's functions and festivals. Now, this festival, as I am told, is also a festival which follows the harvest. And you use the paddy for the first time and offer it to the god. A very similar festival is held in my state. It's called Nabarna or Nuakhai. Nuakhai means you consume the fresh paddy for the first time, and the first thing you do is offer it to the goddess. And this is it is considered as the biggest festival in the western part of Odisha. And primarily the cultures are very similar in the sense that there is a community puja. The headman offers it to the goddess, local goddess, and then there is a feast in the village where the whole village takes the prasad or takes this anna as prasad. So that's the first paddy being offered to the goddess, and the prasad is being distributed and shared between everyone. And this festival here, Hojagiri, is a very similar one, or both are similar, which shows even if the cities or even if the places are so much apart culturally in our country, we have so much of similarity and so much of connection between different places. Now, it's also interesting to see the dance forms, and I in fact had a chance to witness this dance form in the Governor House on the Independence Day celebration, and I can vouch upon our kids are really doing a great job, and their dancing was really great. I think the culture, keeping up with the culture and keeping the traditions alive is very important for all of us, because that gives us distinctiveness and distinctness in our lives. And wherever you go today, even if you go to other countries, you find these small things that ignite the spirit of brotherhood and that ignite the spirit of family at distant places. Many of you, when you graduate, would go out to different cities and work. Not many would stay in Tipra. When I say not many, what I mean is not majority of you would be staying in Tripura. Maybe a fraction of your numbers would stay in Tripura after your graduation, but all of you would go out. And when you go out, these cultures really bind you together, whether it is in the country, outside the country, anywhere you go. It's a good initiative, and I'm told it's the first time being held, and we should have similar festivals across the country. In fact, when I was at NIT Agartala, there we started a function around 2010, not 10, around 2015. We started an event, and this event was primarily to celebrate different cultures around the country. And this function was over a period of 4 days. Later on, it moved to 5th day event, where each day was dedicated for one part of the country, east, west, north, and south. And then when it became too popular, a 5th day was introduced, which included the central India, and also every day we had some part of the foreign culture or the foreign parts. Because we had a large number of Nepali students, a large group of students from Afghanistan, and few students also coming from African countries. So these cultural functions bring connections between individuals, between places, and I am sure this event is the beginning of a new chapter in the future of our institution, where such cultural events binding the nation together with the regional sentiments will bring it alive. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for addressing us with your kind words. It's now time to embark today's event with a song by Hamari and Aaron. Let's give a huge round of applause for them.
Agartala. Hello.
Hello? Hello? Sorry for the inconvenience. Good afternoon to everyone who are present here. So now we'll be singing a corporate bridge song, Kokoma Kasada. So I hope you all enjoy it.
thank you to Hamari and Aaron. It was a wonderful performance. Now we are thrilled to welcome you to our grand celebration of dance, a symphony of movements celebrating the diversity and unity of our cultural tapestry. Brace yourself everyone for the captivating charm of Hojagiri dance, a dance that paints a living picture of the region's unique custom and celebration.
It was indeed a captivating performance. Let's now sit back and enjoy the magical melodies, vibrant rhythm, and powerful storytelling through a song by Hamari and Samuel. The stage is all yours.
আজকে তো 19 তারিখ কোথায় আজকে পাঁচটা করছে
Sariki Pakam, good afternoon to everyone. Thank you, Samurai. Pop rock, one of the pop rock, romantic pop rock song, all time divided. And you don't know which day, happy Hojagiri.
Good afternoon to everyone present here. Again, I'm going to perform a duet cover song with Samuel. I hope you guys will like it. You guys can join if you want. Keep all the things.
Thank you for this beautiful song. It really touches our heart and soul. Now, I would like to call upon the performers of mixed dance to showcase their graceful dance in front of us. The stage is all yours.
Nó có chân này thế này.
We still are vibing to the rhythm of the tunes. It was truly a breathtaking performance. Let us now take the opportunity to call on stage Dr. Muthu Shiva Ramapandian M. Sir for the words of acknowledgement. Please, sir.
Respected dignitaries, deans, HODs of various departments, press members, dear students, and my colleagues. Good evening to all. I deem it to be a great honor for giving this vote of thanks for this particular occasion. It's being the first Tipra festival, Hojagiri Ter. So this is the first festival we are enjoying at NIT Agartala. So I hope this will continue for the future years. First and foremost, I would like to we thank our chief patron, Professor Dr. Sarat Kumar Patra, Director NIT Agartala, who despite his busy schedule has graced this occasion by being here and also conveyed so many good things about the cultural festival across our area and how unity and diversity can be met in our system. That has been explained well by our director. Next, I'd like to thank our Honorable Registrar, Colonel Dr. Ashish Badola sir. Thank you sir for here. You have been very much grateful to us. We are grateful to our Honorable Principal KD NIT campus, Sanjay Malik sir. Thanks for being here sir. You have given our support to enrich this particular festival. Thank you so much. Our heartfelt thanks to all deans, head of various departments, faculty members, staff members for their valuable contribution, guidance and participating in this particular program and encouraging in all our efforts. Okay. We owe special thanks to all the artists who gave a wonderful performance here, which we hope we will keep in our minds forever. And this is the first time I am watching this program. So I am so much grateful to look at such events. We also thank Professor Tripura. Single-handedly he has arranged this whole program. To be frank, I am a member of CRTD, but I came to know this program is being happening yesterday night. So single-handedly he has organized the whole program and he has done this thing wonderfully. So first I would like to congratulate him and thanks for his efforts. We also thank all the press members who are here to extend our support in future and take the news to rest of the world. Finally, our sincere gratitude to all of our student volunteers who have been in the backstage and helping us even now to make this program a great success. Thank you all once again. Thanks for being here. Thank you.
We would now like to call the chief guests, the dignitaries and the dean sir for the photo session.
Join us, Zach.
Light, ini light. Blue, blue. Nori, nori ni. Ini